Hello everybody, it's Liliana Rowena. I literally just got home from work. So this is me home from work and I could not wait. Actually, let me turn off the air conditioner so you can hear me. I could not wait to open this. So I was like, I wanted to film an unboxing because this is a dream item that I actually got and I spent money that I had on so I can just be excited about it and not stressed. So I want to get into it so bad, and I've wanted this since its first release. And she had the MTO, and I got a blouse to go with my other dream dress. It's hilarious to me that all of my dream dresses are gothic when I wear mainly sweet. But anyways, where's scissors? Where's my life? I just want to get into this. Oh, it's got the Lady Sloth sticker on it! Oh, I wish I could save the sticker, but opening it is gonna destroy the sticker. Okay. Okay. Oh, the blouse! My lovely fiance is making mac and cheese, so if you hear water, that's good. Oh my god, this is gonna go so well. I haven't had a blouse that's gone with my secret hospital for the talls, and it's gonna go so well with the bottom. Oh my god, I love this so much. I might change my, oh my god, now I have to decide whether I want to wear this to the tea party tomorrow or my other tea party thing. Oh my gosh, I don't know, man. I don't know now. I don't know. I had a whole other cord planned for tomorrow. I got fun, spooky little extras. Oh, Lolitas with baseball bat. No, that's a Lolita with a katana. That's amazing. That's going on the art wall. Oh, look at the cat Lita postcard. Oh, these are postcards. That's so cute. And then I've got a mouse Lita. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Spooky Macaron stickers! I didn't know it would come with stickers. I want to turn those stickers into magnets for the fridge. Okay, where did I actually put the skirt though? There we go. Here's the skirt. Alrighty. It's so cute. It's even cuter in person. There's little there's pumpkins and gravestones on this lace. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh goodness, I might have to wear this cord tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I bought a whole cord from Lady Sloth, so I don't know what to do with myself. Ooh, is this a waist tie? I think this might be a waist tie. This is just a long piece of black ribbon. I think it's a waist tie. I thought I had ordered some socks. I will not be that upset if the socks did not come in, but... Oh, there's a little bow inside the beret. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I can't decide what I want to wear tomorrow now. Maybe maybe I decided against the socks. I can't remember. I thought I had socks, but maybe I didn't order the socks. I honestly am like, did I get the socks or did I go, no, I think the socks are a weird length, because I remember that was a thought I had. But anyways, I have a spooky little witch ghost. It is a witch and a ghost. Isn't he wonderful? Oh my gosh. Spooky little witch ghost friend. I'm gonna have to hide these. My fiance will steal this. I must not have gotten the socks. Yeah, the stickers are already forfeit. I want to turn the stickers into magnets.
That's a good idea.
I want to get a sheet of magnets and turn them into magnets.
Oh, you gotta wear that tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a whole cord. I ordered a whole cord. Look, I got a little hat that'll match it. You know what? I'll get dressed up in the...
Did you get socks for it?
I thought, oh, that's the thing. I thought I ordered the socks, but I remember the socks actually came to like here on the model, so I might have not gotten the socks.
The black knee highs that you gave me, or the purple knee highs, would go really good with
I think I have orange ones, actually.
Really? Perfect.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to give you a preview of this cord because I'm probably going to wear this cord in the vlog tomorrow. I've got the vote of confidence from the fiance, so I'm going to wear this one. And I know everything in this one should fit. I don't have to worry about that as much. Thank you guys so much for watching this very impromptu unboxing video, but I really wanted to film me unboxing it. I'm so excited to wear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena out.